it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here in Walt Disney World and today is our third park day and we're going to Magic Kingdom. We're super excited. We did have an early breakfast booked at Crystal Palace, but we ended up canceling it because we just needed to sleep a little bit more. Also have the fireworks dessert party tonight, so I'm so excited for that because it's been forever since we did that and I can't remember the last time we actually sat in the hub area and watched the entire fireworks show. So today is going to be super amazing. It's currently 9:30 and we're taking it slow again today. So I did wake up at 7 to get the virtual queue for Tron, and I did. I think I was like 2 minutes late and I got group 88, so amazing. I also booked an individual lightning lane for Mine Train because my kid loves that, and I also booked a lightning lane for something else. I forgot, I can't remember. There was something else, but I did purchase one individual and I booked one for something. But let me show you what I have. So today again is just going to be a later start to the day. We're not rushing to get to Magic Kingdom. We just had breakfast, everybody showered, everybody got dressed, everybody's fresh and ready to go. So you don't always have to rush up and you could still have an amazing time and do a lot of rides. So let me show you what I already have booked. So I have Big Thunder. This was a pre-selections for Daz. I purchased the individual lightning lane for Mine Train. We have a Daz pass for Haunted Mansion. That was a pre-selection. And this is what I booked. I booked Peter Pan for my first lightning lane. We have our dessert party and we have Tron. Let's see, so they're boarding 1 through 24 right now. So as you could see, we're not even in the parks and we already have a full schedule of things for us to do, and shortly my notifications will go off. Well, my alarm will go off and I'll book another lightning lane. And then once we do enter the park, my son is eligible to book another Daz Pass, which will probably be for Mine Train because he just loves that roller coaster, that one, and Big Thunder so much. All right, slight detour. We're going to the ticket office because we have an issue with our tickets. Stay tuned. All right, the amazing cast member at the ticket place over there by the name of JB helped us. He was amazing. So essentially what happened, if you're not caught up on all of the vlogs, we had to, well, we didn't have to, but I wanted to switch our resort from Pop Century and stay more at Art of Animation because we were supposed to switch resorts during the hurricane and I just wasn't sure how bad it was going to be. So when they switched our reservation to stay at Art of Animation, long story short, the tickets all had the same end date, which is today, August 31st, and we still have one more park day tomorrow, which is September 1st. So this gentleman helped us and everything's okay and we can go to Hollywood Studios tomorrow and have no issues, and he also made our park reservations as well for us. So if you have any issues with your tickets, just go ahead and go to the ticket center and they will definitely help you out. haven't updated in a little while, but we've been so busy. We've been doing so many rides. It also rained a couple of times, but we've pretty much done everything. We're waiting to go on Tron one more time. I purchased the individual lightning link for it. We already went once and Aiden was very nervous, but he did well. He enjoyed it. Andrew, of course, loves it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that again. And I think after that, depending how long it's gonna take, it's our dessert party. So that starts at 7:30. We could start heading to that area, I forgot what it's called, near Cosmic Ray, and eat all of our desserts, enjoy our time. I think they have sparkling beverages like wine and Prosecco or champagne. So I'm really looking forward to that because Mama needs something at this point. And that's it, but we had an amazing day today. Honestly, utilizing the DAS lightning lane, individual lightning lane really helps. Even though the park does like it seems busy, but the wait times have consistently been pretty low today, and I think it still has something to do with yesterday's hurricane Idalia. So, you know, it is what it is, but we're still utilizing it, and it still helps my kid a lot. We just did Carousel Progress. I will be honest, I took like a 5-minute nap, so if you want to dry off, cool down, and take a nap, Carousel of Progress is the place to go. Tell us about your first experience going on Tron.
Tron was pretty good. It's the launch that gets you a lot, but after the launch, it's really smooth, really nice. Think of it as like an updated version of Space Mountain.
I swear to God, right?
Except like no butterfly feeling, very smooth track, much brighter inside, and very short rides.
Very short. That's the only downside. And it's every single person says the same thing.
Yeah.
It's short.
So it's just the launch that gets you. After the launch, you're perfectly fine.
Yeah. So. All right, let's go one more time for this trip. Woo. We just watched Happily Ever After. It was amazing. We're gonna have a separate video of the dessert party with Happily Ever After. I cried like a baby. So we have about 30 minutes left before park closes. So game plan is Big Thunder, Aladdin, and Pirates.
Yeah. That's our game plan for
That's our game plan.
30 minutes?
Not 40, 30.
30.
Not even, less than 30.
Yeah. So we gotta rush.
It's 9:35. We gotta hustle.
Okay, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
We'll see.
We just done our last ride, and the park is pretty much empty and closed. What time is it?
10:15.
10:15. It's a good call. We didn't make it to Aladdin, but we did Big Thunder and Pirates. And we met these two amazing girls. I didn't even get their names, but one of them is celebrating her 21st birthday tomorrow. They were awesome.
Yes.
We got something we'll show you later. And now we're just gonna, now we're just gonna walk out and enjoy this beautiful empty park for the last time on this trip.